Yo, there might be a little echo. Um, this is the trade I took yesterday that I talked about in the video that I could not share yet because it wasn't out. But I got out last night, and I got out basically median right here. I got one out like right here, and the rest were, as you can see, literally right in here. Momo, stop licking, especially on my bed, chick. Cut it out. Um, so last night I saw it bull flagging. I saw it come down to here. I was like, oh, I'm break even. I'm gonna see what happens because I really wanted to take it up to this level because it goes back and hits some of these tops over here. It's like, all right, if we're gonna have a big move, then that's probably what we're gonna get, right? Sure enough, it didn't happen. I did get a great impulse move. This is hourly, so if you look at the 15-minute, this is solid. Like that's where I basically got out of everything. 90% right in here, like this up move, 9% right here, and then I got the last 10% right here when I saw not all-time highs, but of this pattern, I saw it retest the highs, the recent highs. It's like, all right, I'm gonna get out of everything. I don't worry about it. I'm gonna go 9-9. Then I saw this morning it was consolidating sideways. The US dollar pairs were working weird because the dollar was gaining strength, but everything was like, it wasn't really going. The only one that really went was the NZD. Had that little up push, which is, I don't even know how many pips, like 10 pips, some whatever it is. I don't ever look at pips, but people in Forex talk about pips, so that's what I'm doing. But this was a beautiful trade. I wish everything went this smoothly. I am currently in a USD and Euro JPY, which you can see the other ones are far weaker, but we are getting that down move. My strat confirmed this down move, and I'm hoping that these lows actually break and we can get a full-on structure retest at the bottom. That's what I'm looking for. Which can make sense, a little double top action, a little W action. I'd really like to see that because then we could see actually a bottom. And if this really does make a bottom and this breaks, which if y'all look, where is it? The Russell broke to the highs, which has been hitting a lot recently. I'll go to a higher time frame. And then it got really badly rejected. Same with the IWM. Like this wick is nasty. If you're long, you do not want to see top wicks. Where you break up above highs, major recent highs, and then you get rejected. Which this could be great to go up, but to each their own. I'm not saying anything. I'm not trying to predict anything. But the dollar right now, if this would have come down here and then gone, different. But in yesterday's video, I was talking about I would love to see this right here hold, and then break through. Has not been able to break through. It's showing weak. And the pairs against the USD, everything's been weird, especially the USD JPY. Like I was long last night on it, and it didn't. I ended up getting stopped out. I can't show it because I'm in one, but it wasn't a big loss. But like the dollar went up. Look, I'll show you. The dollar went up. This whole move, I got long USD JPY right here. This whole move, nothing. It went down. Like it literally trickled down and then started shooting up. It's been like doing inverse what the dollar's doing, and I don't think I've really ever seen that like how it is today. So the weakness was there, and that's why I took, like the dollar was going up, the USD was going down. So I shorted it for a scalp and got half my loss off that I lost on it to begin with. So it was just really a small loss, but that is definitely a W. But the big W was yesterday on the AUD USD. This trade was gorgeous. I got it on my strat confirmation right here, but the time where it signaled was right in here. So I don't know how many extra pips. I don't know how it goes, but I would have added at least 20% to my profit from here because it's showing my strat was showing break of highs, and you get that little squeeze action or that pop, right? And sure enough, that's what I went, and that's I think that's really it. I don't know what else I'd really be looking for besides some more downside. This is ugly, man. This is a flat bottom break. This is, the manipulation, the consolidation, the pop, which I believe is the manipulation because people think it's going to come up to all-time highs, and then borders waiting up here or whatever. But it's like I always see this. See the up move, the sideways consolidation, it comes down, people start getting short, it squeezes them out, and then you get the dump down, But if this holds, this ugly structure, man, and my strat's showing downside. my shot was showing downside here, and it popped up through and re-signaled down here, and that's where I got in, was on this re-signaling down, and that's where I added to USD JPY and my Euro JPY. So I'm looking, I need this to start breaking down. I really do. If this can break down to these lows, it will be a very good day. I'm very thankful. You know, I'd be quite happy because last week's losses were that 180 JPY, which now look at it, this is one of the smoothest sell-offs. I missed this one. This is one I was supposed to be in. But I'm really waiting to see what I can do. See what happens here. So that's pretty much all I have today. Gold and silver, whatever, consolidating. You better stop licking, Momo. You're pretty. So that's all I have to show. Things are looking a little scary out there, so I don't know if the Grinch is coming this year, but it looks like a perfect trap is setting up for the Grinch to come in and snatch some presents. So 80 USD, perfect trade. I wish they all went this smoothly. So that's all I have to say. So yep.